it's your girl Tanya, sending you love, happiness, peace, joy, prosperity, success, abundance, and all the love I can give you, honey. Take it all. It is all for you. Today, I am doing a review on... Okay, you all. These are actually plant-based snacks, and they're Oreos. They are double cream cookies. I could not resist this. It says back to nature since 1960, and they are plant-based. So I'm on this journey to eat healthy, and it's so funny. So I'm gonna give you Michael's reaction. I asked him what did he want from the grocery store when I went, and he told me that he wanted Oreos. Well, I'm trying for us to have a healthier diet here, so I'm like, Oreos. So I'm in Whole Foods, okay? I see this thing on the shelf. Could not resist just getting it, okay? So let me give you a close-up of these ingredients. It's like sugar cane, unbleached wheat flour, palm oil, safflower, okay, safflower oil, cocoa powder, brown rice syrup, baking soda, soy, natural flavor, and it contains soy and wheat. It's made on the same equipment that processes milk and tree nuts. But the tree nuts is actually coconut. They have that in parentheses. I don't know if you could see it. So, this is my opinion and my review. You guys, these things are good. Go check it out. They are at Whole Foods, and they're called Back to Nature plant-based snacks. They are actually really good. They actually taste just like Oreos. Just look at Mike's reaction. From the time he saw what I bought him to the time he opened it. I got you something.
What?
Wait.
Huh?
Bring it in here. I want to see.
Come on.
You got off-brand Oreos?
Come on.
Oh, you got off-brand Oreos?
No. You ready?
Sure.
I got your Oreos.
Thanks.
Are you excited? Let's get a close-up on those Oreos.
You know what they are?
What?
Yeah, just your mama.
Look, read
What
it.
type of Oreos you
Read
think
it.
they are?
Plant-based snacks.
Huh?
Plant-based snacks.
Yep. You don't have an excited look on your face. Shall we try one? Try one. Tell me what you think.
You want the carrot cake?
Yep.
Who's your favorite? No.
Oh!
Hey, get that on camera.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Oh, really? Really?
I really greatly appreciate that, man. Honestly. See, now that it says extra stuff, it say made on equipment that processes.
Coconuts.
Computer. Right on studio.
Alright, I'm gonna try it.
They in the package just like.
It's not just like shit.
The only thing I recognize was the soy.
I can't even open it.
You can pretend they were original Oreos. It might taste good.
Hopefully.
I meant to get you a real
I
pack
want to see
too.
this on his face.
You gotta look up for the cam. They taste like regular. Yeah.
I'm gonna wait for that. The dead taste to hit.
That's what I'm trying to see.
They good, ain't they?
They do taste basically regular.
Yeah, buddy.
See?
Yeah, buddy.
One more.
Well, you get my cake back then.
Oh.
Okay,
You
y'all.
want
No.
These are teenage approved. This is we got this from Whole
Yeah, I bet
Foods.
y'all them teenagers were big vegans.
I do give these a thumbs up. However, they are overly sweet, just like the original Oreo cookies. So if you are a parent and you are looking to incorporate a healthy diet for your children, go to Whole Foods and try this one out. Or if you just have a sweet tooth, and try this. I literally haven't seen this anyplace else except for Whole Foods. So hopefully you live next to a Whole Foods where you can take advantage of this one. All right, guys. Hope you enjoy. Oh, I didn't even show you what they are looking like on the inside. Okay. They actually say back to nature. It's cute. Okay, guys. Until the next time. Later. And do not forget to live, love, laugh, and create. And if you are not already a subscriber, what are you doing? What are you doing? Drop me a like and I'll see you next time. Later.